talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Freelancer app. So all you have to do, you just go down, clicking this sign down here. So when you click on it, so then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings. When you click on settings here, it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click on email and notifications. So when you click on email and notifications, it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. So you keep going down, then you come here to this is emails for groups. Then you come here to when a new post is posted in a group you are a member of. Then you click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.